Daar's iemand wat gevra het, my stukkie hoender is nou in die oentjie. Dan sit ek hom daar op amper 200. En ek draai hierheen letterlik net tot by 30 en that's it. Daai is by 200 grade. Daai is 30 minute and that's it. I don't preheat, I don't nothing. Ek sit hom net aan, 30 minute en my hoendertjie is gaar. Welkom by Zel's Daily Dish. So papa eet weer spaghetti in min soos gister. En ek eet hoenderslaai en koolslaai soos gister. Mag julle 'n beautiful dag hê. Be blessed, like, comment, follow, share. And have a beautiful Monday. Bye.